Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, fellow humans. Today we are exploring Al-MUQEET, the nourisher of all creation. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala creates the nourishment for each of His creatures before He creates it. No one can take away the nourishment destined for any element of the creation. The sustenance due to us will not run out until death overtakes us. Look at the plants, look at the birds. Think of twins in the womb of their mother, how each takes it destined nourishment without trying to wrest any away from the other and without fighting. Yet the same twins who tranquilly and peacefully received their sustenance through their mother's lifeblood, coming into this world and growing up, may kill each other for their mother's inheritance. Look at this. Has Allah told them, when you come into the world, go and fetch your own sustenance. I am done with you. Has He forgotten to give them their sustenance? Allah is Alim, He is Khabir, He does not forget. He does not fall into error. He is Qayyum, He is Muhaymin, the Lord of the universes. He does not lose sight of His creation, nor does He fail in His protection and care for it for even a split of a second. He gives nourishment without being asked to the ones who cannot ask and work for their own nourishment. For the ones who can, Allah has created means of sustenance. He needs no means, yet because Allah wills it, His servants may choose between lawful and unlawful means. Opting for the unlawful will not increase your sustenance. Whatever your nourishment is and wherever you receive it, it can only be your lot. The means do not create the sustenance. They do not even give the sustenance. The means are like pipes coming from Allah's, the nourisher, to each and every creation. The nourishment in them flows as death presses from the end of the pipes. Death will not come upon you until your nourishment is finished. It will certainly come upon you after your last mouthful and your last breath. Therefore, a faithful servant of Allah who believes that Allah, Al-MUQEET, is the creator and the giver of his nourishment until the day of his death, counts on Allah's promise alone. He opts for the lawful means. He does not endanger his life here and in the hereafter with evil ambition, treachery, and lying to try to get to the sustenance due to others. So who is Abdul-MUQEET? Abdul-MUQEET is the one given awareness of the needs of the others in the right amount, without delay and with nothing lacking. Someone about to take a hard and dangerous voyage may this name on the bottle, may recite this name on the bottle 7 times. As long as he drink the water from this bottle, he will find the strength to bear the difficulties and dangers which he may encounter. May you be protected with Al-Hafiz and Al-MUQEET. Assalamu alaikum.